Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the heart of the Balkans to explore Tirana, Albania's vibrant capital. Nestled between the Dajti Mountain and the Adriatic Sea, this city teems with color, culture, and history. Join us as we uncover the city's colorful streets, rich history, and cultural treasures. Begin your journey through the bustling streets of Tirana, where every corner turns into a vibrant canvas. The city's pulse is painted in a myriad of hues, each building a testament to both the rich history and the dynamic future of this vibrant capital. As you wander, you'll be captivated by the abundant street art that breathes life into the city's concrete facade. These murals, graffiti, and installations are not just artistic expressions, but symbols of Tirana's transformation and its youthful spirit. This is a city that wears its heart on its walls, using color and creativity to tell its tale. Each building tells a story, adding to the city's vibrant canvas. Next, we head to Skanderbeg Square, the pulsating heart of Tirana. This spacious square, named after the revered national hero, Gjorgj Kastrioti, better known as Skanderbeg, is more than just a meeting point. It's a living, breathing testament to Albania's rich history and resilient spirit. As you glance around, you'll notice the square is encircled by a host of significant buildings. There's the National History Museum, easily identified by its grand mosaic facade, a visual chronicle of Albania's past. Then there's the stately Opera House, a hub of art and culture. Each day, locals traverse this square, their footsteps echoing stories of the past and visions for the future. Feel the energy of this dynamic city center. Stroll over to Pazari I Ri, the vibrant bazaar that's a feast for the senses. This market is the heartbeat of Tirana's day-to-day life, a place where locals and visitors alike come to explore, shop, and indulge. Each stall is a treasure trove, filled to the brim with a myriad of goodies. From fresh fruits and vegetables, glistening like jewels under the sunlight, to the tantalizing aroma of traditional foods wafting through the air. And let's not overlook the artisan crafts, each piece a testament to Albania's rich heritage. So immerse yourself in this vibrant symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. Don't miss tasting some local delicacies like bajrek or sipping on traditional Albanian coffee as you chat with friendly vendors. Just a short walk from the square, discover the Ethembe Mosque, a beacon of peace and religious harmony. With its origins tracing back to the late 18th century, this mosque stands not just as a place of worship, but as a testament to Albania's rich history and cultural diversity. The mosque's intricate frescoes, which depict scenes from nature and the daily lives of people, are a marvel to behold. Throughout its existence, the Ethembe Mosque has weathered periods of religious suppression, notably during the communist era. Despite these challenges, it remained a beacon of faith for many. This mosque isn't just a religious site, it's a symbol of resilience, having remained open even when religious expression was prohibited. For a peaceful escape, make your way to the Grand Park of Tirana. As you step into this verdant retreat, the hum of the city fades, replaced by the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft chirping of birds. This park, a green oasis in the heart of a bustling city, embraces you with its lush landscapes and tranquil lakeside paths. As you meander along these paths, you'll find inviting shaded benches, perfect for soaking in the serenity or diving into a good book. Nestled within the park's expanses is the Presidential Palace, an architectural gem standing tall, flanked by the grandeur of majestic black pines. This green oasis offers serene lakeside paths and shaded benches, perfect for a quiet afternoon away from the urban buzz. Tirana is more than just a city. It's a vibrant community rich with history and brimming with life. We've journeyed through its colorful streets, sampled local flavors, experienced religious harmony, and found tranquility in its grand park. From its colorful streets to its peaceful parks, Tirana invites you to discover its many wonders. Thanks for exploring Tirana with us. If this journey sparked your wanderlust, hit subscribe to join our future adventures. Show your support by giving us a like and let us know your dream destination in the comments. Safe travels!